Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker MTUNE M1. So, right here at the top we have all controls what the speaker offer. To increase the volume, right here we have volume up button, what have a plus icon, and you just press on it and you will increase the volume, and as you can see at this widget it works. To lower the volume, use volume down button, what have a minus icon, and again you just press on it and you will lower the volume. If you wanna play next track, you need to press and hold at the volume up button. And as you can see, it worked. To play previous track, you need to press and hold at the volume down button. Also, right here, we have play pause button. So you just press one time and you will play or pause the song or the movie. And you press again and you will make something else. Or play or pause. Also, this button, this is a Bluetooth button also. And if you wanna enter to prank mode, you just press and hold at this button. And the last button is the power button, is to turn on, turn off your speaker. You need to press and hold on it and you will turn off or turn on your speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.